Hi guys, welcome back to Eric's RC Hobby. In today's video, we're going to be fixing my WLToys 144001. This is how we left it, needing new swing arms and swing arm hinge pins. Today, we're upgrading to these purple all-in-one swing arms. I've also bought a bag of spare swing arm hinge pins. We're also going to be testing out my new electric screwdriver. Okay, let's disassemble this car. See, this screw was already part way out, and that's what's been causing us a lot of problems. You can see the original swing arm pin holders use these rubber ends to hold the swing arm hinge pins in. The reason I lost a swing arm hinge pin is because of one of the rubber ends on my swing arm hinge pin holders had come completely out. The rubber ends also had a lot of play where the swing arm hinge pin went into it. Who can spot my mistake here? Yep, that's right, I put it on backwards. Time to take it off, put it back on the right way. Moving on to the front here, I will only change one as it's a lot easier and can't be bothered to take everything apart to change the rear one. It doesn't even need replacing. Time to check everything's working. Looking pretty cool, don't you think? Everything seems to be working well.